Are you fed up with not being able to get quality sales in your affiliate marketing business? Access the secrets of successful online entrepreneurs today. Here is a proven step-by-step blueprint for creating affiliate marketing of your dreams without owning a website. Even if you're a stone-cold newbie with no clue and no money, Affiliate Masters Academy hosts after many trials and errors, and recorded experience working/learning with the top guys in the industry. We have come up with the best possible solution to help you grow your business, master sales skills, and building brands to enable you live happier, healthier, owning your own internet business, stream plus create plus enjoy life. After nearly 12 months of long hours, late nights, and heavy research, my team and I have compiled a 5-day workshop. We have put together a proven step-by-step blueprint on how you can skyrocket your income and take your affiliate marketing business to the peak. At this very moment, you are competing with hundreds, thousands, maybe even millions of other marketers trying to get your prospects' attention to actually make sales. I just wanted to say awesome job for actually taking that first step, putting your hand up and wanting to make some sort of change in your life. Let me ask you a serious question. Look, I don't know what your current situation is right now, whether you have given up on your affiliate marketing business and found yourself trying out on other things just to be able to keep the cash coming in to pay the bills. Do you feel frustrated and angry with so-called alternatives and stopgap solutions that perform well for a day, maybe even a week, but eventually die out and leave you back at square one? Are you bombarded with course after course from so-called gurus and yet confused on where to start? Or just someone looking for a side hustle online? Or you might be sick and tired of the 50 to 60 hour week work that is draining the soul out of you? I really don't know. But I look forward to you telling me once we get to meet each other. Anyway, whatever it is, trust me, you are in the right place. Let me share this story with you. You know, it's crazy that so many go through life and hate their current situation but do nothing about it. They are literally stuck in a job they hate, up to their neck with bills and debt and literally drowning in stress and just damn miserable. And they keep buying into this hype internet program but never getting the result. Well, that was me just a few months ago, but one day I just decided enough was enough. I couldn't carry on like this. There has to be a way out. I decided it was time for me to take back control of my life despite the false belief of friends and family. As a guy being told that making money online was a scam, growing up in a community where no one has any clue about making money online or even the right mindset that it's ever possible to work right from home,